Hello guys, and welcome to the second part. The first part, it ended quite short, and I'm sorry about that. But this time, I have uploaded the first part. If you haven't seen it yet, remember to hit the first part where I explain what match I'm going to do. And you see I am doing the Fabulous Freebirds versus Enzo Amore and Big Cass. Don't ask me why, I just want to do this match. And remember to leave down to the description whatever team you want me to face next, or whatever wrestler you want me to do next. Or if you want me to do your own custom characters, let me know. Just put his name, weight, and height down below, and I will see and leave the name that you want me to do for him down in the description, down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to make him, okay? There's different hairstyles that I gotta do after I do that.
Enzo Amore is a fighter, and as he likes to say, a smack talker Skywalker. The only thing Enzo hits harder than the microphone is an opponent. And he comes crashing down.
Alright guys.
Michael Hayes is not someone to sleep on. Enzo Amore now in a little bit of trouble, and you have to assume his partner is just itching to get in there right about now. Well, it's not dire consequences for him here, which is good. But just in case, he might want to think about getting his partner in there for a bit. I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand. Byron, you made a really good point earlier about Enzo Amore. The certified G is the type of superstar who's the first to run into a fight and the last to leave. While I find Enzo Amore indescribably annoying, I'll give him this. If there's a superstar who won't back down from a fight, if there's a guy who will just keep coming at you, it's Enzo. Oh, and the reversal by Enzo Amore. Great offense by Enzo Amore. Heading to the outside now. Smart move. Take some time to think things over. And now it's Enzo Amore being pushed to the limit. His hopes of winning this tag team match are starting to dwindle. If you told me heading into this match that he was going to absorb so much punishment, I would have called you a liar. Especially you, Saxton. But then again, I never believe anything that comes out of your mouth. Oh boy, he is rolling. P.S. Hayes. No doubt about that one. Just someone's attitude. That's what he was looking for, Michael. Someone's going to be black and blue tomorrow. Wait a minute. There goes the ref. Man down. Jimmy Garvin is tagged in. The strikes have a little extra on them tonight. He knows he's in trouble. The end is near for him. The pace quickened, and just like that, we have takeoff. What an assault, King. He might just be out, guys. I agree. He hasn't moved one bit. He's making a statement here with this attack. DDT delivered. Looks like he caught Enzo off guard there. Corey, look at Jimmy Jam all set up, ready to go. Here we go. Oh, brain buster. Looks like he caught Enzo off guard there. Here he goes for the win. They did it. They won the match.
And there you go, guys. The winners are the Fabulous Freebirds. I hope you like this part 1 and part 2 video. I hope you like it very much, and I'll see you in the next gaming video. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.